Hi, and welcome to Jules Cooking Global, and today we're gonna make an Easter egg. Start by melting 100 grams of cocoa butter in a saucepan. Then grease the Easter egg mold with the melted cocoa butter. Slightly heat up the mold and remove all the cocoa butter. After that, mix the excess cocoa butter with fat-soluble pigments. Use this to decorate the mold. Now melt 1 kg of chocolate over a double boiler. Pour 3/4 of the chocolate on your worktop and cool this by keeping it in motion until it reaches 28 degrees Celsius. Mix this with the rest until it reaches 31 degrees Celsius. Then fill the molds with the chocolate and turn them around so any excess chocolate can drip out of it. Now scrape the edges clean and let it set in a cool place. After that, remove the eggs out of the mold. Then melt the bottom of the eggs until smooth and stick them together one by one inside each other from small to large. And now you can eat the eggs one by one. I hope you guys liked my video, so like and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!